So we got anything good? Oh, we got an auto right off the bat. I think it's going to be a Topps Finest Moments. All right, let me get the camera settled down here. All right, Matt Olson. Oh, Connolly Early. Oh, this pack's all mumbled. Okay, I did move it. This is 70 out of 150. Connolly Early, 70 out of 150. Evans. Got that big card right there. Congratulations, Evans. Got another Kyle Till, Gunnar Henderson. Got this Mason Wynn mini diamond. All right, got Drake Baldwin, Caminero, Mike Trout. Who you hiding on the Topps Finest? Ooh, is it a numbered card? No, it is not. Byron Buxton for the Twins. Oh, Ethan, look at that, buddy. Boom, Byron Buxton right off the bat, dude. Banger. Freedom, what you think about that, big dog? We got a Byron Buxton off the gate, dude. Look at that. Boom. That's beautiful. Let's get this Connolly Early in there. Guys, don't forget we got a second break. 5 teams left in that break. 5 teams left. We got another auto in there. All right, we got some blue right there. That'll be nice. All right. Churio, Evan Carter, Ramirez, Mini Diamond, Quan, Sal Stewart, Hung Ho Lee, McGonagals. Oh, there's a Carlos Carrera refractor. Bo Bichette. Oh, looks like we got a Jonah Tong. 137 to 150 color match, boys. 137 to 150 color match. And that's going to go to Paddock with the Mets on the board, bros. Wax Dojo, thank you, buddy. We got 5 teams left in that first break. We got Nick Kurt So Good, Chandler, Ramirez, Altuve, Skeens, Buxton, Kirby Puckett, Finest Timelines, Chisholm. Oh, we got the Owen Cassie, Green, 34 to 99, boys. 34 to 99. We got Connor Griffin, Uncommon. Boom, for your Florida Marlins. That's going to go to my guy Dash, dude. Got the Marlins. Boom. All right, let's see if we got another multi-card auto box here. All right. Akamoto, Alvarez, Crochet, Brandon Sproatgoat, Weatherholt, Horton, Anthony, Wood, Mizorowski mini diamond, nice. Logan Webb. All right, we got one more auto, boys. One more auto. Oh, there it is. Beautiful. I'm sure Brad Ball will sell it to young Ethan for a fair price. Guerrero, Bryce Eldridge, Justin Crawford mini diamond, nice. Uncommon Freddie Freeman, Mizorowski, Anthony. All right, Juan Soto, who you hiding? Oh, we got a Ray. Here you go, Jesse. Jesse, you ready, dude? So we got a numbered, no numbered. Boom. Ian Seymour. Jesse wants more of Ian Seymour, color match purple. That's a nice looking card there, Jesse. I wish that I had Jesse's cards. Where can I rip a pack like that at TBB? Here we go. Jesse got an Ian Seymour, boys. All right, last pack magic, let's go. Let's make dreams come true. Oh, we got some gold, boys. Got some gold. Colston Montgomery, Byron Buxton. Blue Jays, Altuve, Mini Diamond. Garrett Cole, Uncommon. Marte, Ema, Yelich. Jackson Merrill is hiding a Chase Burns gold. Boom. Let's see what this... 25 to 50. 25 to 50. Chase, let it burn. Okay. Let's get ready for box 2. Pete Alonso, Tatis, Cruz, Caglione, Neto, Fried, Murakami, Machado. We got Jonathan Tong, boom, 105 to 199. We have hit a couple of Jonah Tongs already. That's great. Maybe we'll hit an auto of Jonah Tong. Guys, we're still 5 teams away from that second break. 5 teams away. Who do we have left? Go to Chipotle, get a bag of nacho chips, then go to Chick-fil-A. Okay. We talking about their food? Why are we making me hungry? Okay, we got the Guards, Royals, Marlins, Mets, Padres. Woo! We got a patch, boys. We got a patch. All right. Did y'all see it? Did y'all see it? While I was sitting there? All right, we got Juan Carlos, Bregman, Pujols, Bryce Eldridge Mini Diamond, Yordan Alvarez. All right, let's see who we got. Sasaki, who you hiding? Let's get a number first. It's going to be 38 to 99. Are we ready, boys? 38 to 99. Oh, for the Orioles. Here you go, Wax. For the Orioles, Jeremiah. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make Wax Dojo cry. I apologize a trillion times. Oh, Wax Dojo got the Jeremiah Jackson. Shimon. Yes, sir. Got the patch right off the snatch, dude. Oh, nice. Wax Dojo, how you feel about that, big dog? Is Wax Dojo watching? I feel like he is. I feel like Wax Dojo's always watching me. Oh, we got another auto, boys. Here we go. Let's make dreams come true. Teal. Mike Trout, number Purple Rain. 59 to 75, boys. Boom. All right, we got the Griffey timelines. Max Fried, Treya Savage, C.J. Abrams uncommon, DeGrom, Griffin, Bregman. Who's he hiding? Oh, is that the Senators? Boom. Robert Hassel the third. Robert Hassel the third for the Washington Natty Baddies. That's going to go to Jesse. Oh, Jesse's got 2 autos. Jesse's got 2 autos on the board. Jesse, a.k.a. the card-ripping Lionel Messi. Nobody does rhymes better than me. I'm the king of rhymes. I'll buy that Trout off of you. Who had the Angels, dude? Paddock, I'm sure he'll sell it to you. It'll be on the single show, Murphy. It'll be on the single show, bro. Or maybe you can make a deal offline there. Paddock lets us consign some cards. Uh-oh. We got a nice one there. Rodriguez, Trout, Kurtz, Chandler, Savage. Boom. Rafael Flores color match with the yellow. 129, 275. 129, 275. Cole Young, Jackson Merrill, Ellie De La Cruz, Basalo. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, chicka, boom. All right, guys, we are 4 teams away. 4 teams away from our next exciting break here at TBB. All right, Verlander, Ryan, Garcia, Arenado, Young, Carroll, Raleigh, Freeman, Butler, Reynolds. Last pack magic, let's go. Ooh, Ramirez. Altuve, Wynn, Colby Thomas. Oh, Shohei Ohtani. Woo, 93 of 250, looking nifty. Nice. Brad Ball, y'all, shot call, y'all. Nice. That's a $20 card someplace, I'm sure, right, Freedom? That's a $20 card. Oh, are you guys ready to crap your pants? Are you ready to crap your pants? Oh, J.P. Murphy, let's get dirty with the Ichiro Super Rare Double Dare. Nice, bro. That's a sweet card that goes hard. Pour for you by TBB is a place to be. Oh, you're unbelievable. Woo, Ichiro, my hero. Oh, dude, didn't you ask about some signed Ichiro cards earlier? Was that you or somebody else? Oh, woo, pulled an Ichiro, dude. I love Ichiro, bro. I love Ichiro. Dylan Beavers, 35 of 99. That's going to go to Wax Dojo. Oh, Miss Cupcakes. Oh, look at that on the green. Dude, that was a sick pack without an auto. Wow. Got a Shohei, an Ichiro, a Dylan Beavers to 99. Yo, let's go. All right. And with that's a Gunnar Henderson refractor and a Chaz Chisholm. Okay, boys and girls, let's do a little review. A little 2-box review. We got Rafael Flores to 275, Mike Trout to 75, Jonah Tong to 199, Chase Burns to 50, Owen Cassie to 99, Jonah Tong to 150, Connolly Early to 150. We got the Dylan Beavers, 35 to 99. We got the Robert Hassel III base auto for the Nationals. We got Ian Seymour, base auto for the Nationals. We got Jeremiah Jackson patch auto. We got Byron Buxton auto finest moments to Shohei Ohtani, out of 250. And we got the amazing Ichiro Super Rare. Boom. It was a half break each case. Not a half case each break, but 2 boxes in each break, half case altogether.